How to scan for viruses on your iPhone. So if you suspect your phone has a virus or malware, I'll show you how to check for this. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing is just loading up the settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on General and scroll down and click on VPN and Device Management. Now if you see an unfamiliar connection here, I'd recommend deleting the VPN or the profile. So it should say not connected like you see here. And once you've done this, come back over to the main settings page. So before we scan for any viruses, there's one more thing I like to do. Just scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps, and then scroll down and click on Safari. You can then scroll down to Clear Browsing Data and click on this. Make sure all history is selected and just press Clear. Now that we've cleared all of the cookies and cache, we can scan for viruses. So what you'll need for this is a free application. So if you go and load up the App Store on your phone, you could then use the search box to type in the word Avast. Go and click on this app here and you'll need to download it onto your phone. So this is completely free to use. Once it's downloaded, just go and open up the app. Now press Get Started and press Skip in the top right hand side. You can then press Continue and press Allow. Now it will ask you to choose a plan. We're just going to press the cross icon in the top right hand side and click on the cross icon once again. You could then just click Get Started and go through these steps to set up the app. Now once you're on the home page, click the Run Smart Scan button and this will scan your device for any potential viruses or malware. If anything's found, it's going to be listed and fixed in this page here.